Alright, we're going to go for a ride here in a really nice 1968 El Camino. This was tricked out. It's got a nice, 350 small block, probably a few hundred horsepower, turbo 350 transmission, but it's got some Wilwood disc brakes up front, power brakes. Also has a QA1 adjustable coilovers, which makes a big difference. And the car handles really nice, it feels flat. Got tubular control arms. Custom interior. Basically custom dash panel here with all the Autometer gauges. Got a nice Alpine stereo with Bluetooth connectivity. A couple extra switches there. It's got an electric fan. A little quarter stick shifter. Really nice though. Also has those TMI seats that you can get. They look like the original style, but the bolsters are a little thicker and just makes it feel a little bit more modern. But this car's got an aluminum radiator, electric fan. It's got a 10-volt rear differential, real clean underneath. I mean, the floors and everything are great. Paint quality is nice too. It's got a set of 15-inch Halibrands on there. They're actually kind of expensive wheels these days. Everybody's honking at each other around here. But it's got the knockoff wheels, spinners. Pretty cool. Nice little MOMO steering wheel. But when we walk around this thing, you'll see what I'm talking about, how nice it is. Just the paint quality is good. It's like a silver blue metallic. The chrome on the bed is nice. It's got a spray-in bed liner, so a little more durable for you want to throw something in the back, even though it still looks really good. Hate to put stuff back there. Some people put a rubber mat too. Help out. But it's got nice speakers behind the seats here. But we're going to go around the corner here and take some more pictures and video so you can get a little better look at it. Alright, here's our walk around with our 1968 Chevrolet El Camino. These are great, man. It's like a car, like a truck, like a muscle car. You name it, it's got it all. This one's finished in silver blue metallic. It's got a nice spray-in bed liner. Really clean, nice straight bed. Paint quality is nice. Got those black plates from California. They're kind of cool. They look good on there. If you're from California, keep those. It's got Halibrand wheels, which are real Halibrands. Which are kind of expensive these days. They're bolt-on, but with a knockoff, screw-on knockoff. So if the knockoff comes off, your wheel doesn't fall off like an old Corvette. But BF Goodrich T radials, tires are fairly new. Brand new exhaust system with turbo mufflers. Sounds good. All the chrome and stainless is beautiful. The interior's been redone. It's got the TMI seats in there. Really comfortable buckets. Original door panels. It's got the Autometer gauge cluster that you can buy. It fills in the dash there. It's all Autometer gauges. Really cool. It's even got a little clock. There's your Alpine CD player with Bluetooth. It's got kick panel speakers. Also has some speakers behind the seats here. Custom made, pretty cool. Little enclosure. Center console, custom made by the previous owner. He did a good job. I like it. But power steering, power disc brakes, close ratio power steering. Actually, a CPP box, so it's not real sloppy feeling. Just a good driver. That adjustable coilover suspension really makes a difference on this car, and it's expensive. That QA1 stuff is top quality. Good looking car. Here's the power plant in the 68 El Camino. Not to be redundant, but I'm going to say it again. 350 small block. Good running small block too. It's got aluminum intake, Holley carburetor. It's got electric fan, aluminum radiator, CPP power steering. Power disc brakes. Got Wilwoods up front actually too. Go ahead and fire it up for you. Sounds good. Just a nice little exhaust note. Everybody loves this car. It drives great. It's got the look. Runs strong, reliable. Good looking little El Camino. Well, if you want to see this one in person, come out and see me. We're in Simi Valley, 2158 Union Place, Simi Valley, California, 93065. My name is Rich, and my phone number is 818-591-1313. If you have any more questions about it, or you want to just buy it and have it shipped to you, or come on down and arrange a test drive. All right, thanks for watching.